Tim's about to hide our sunscreen so we can get it later. Gotta make sure the security guard isn't looking. Go. Yes. Perfect. Okay. Now we'll see if it's there later. How much did you have to drink, Tim? How much did you have to drink, Tim?
Just one bottle. Just one bottle.
Hi.
Yeah, so I'll take the chicken breast. Hold the chicken, please.
Hello. We've been trying to reach you about your cars since morning. How do you drink a mojito, Tim?
So when you have like the leaves broken up like this, you gotta stir it first, but then you have all the leaves on the bottom, and you're gonna suck them up, so then you gotta blow bubbles so they come to the top.
Blow a little harder.
I don't know, get your dick out now, bro.
Alright.
Yes, thank you.
It's time to get see if our sunscreen's still there.
Oh boy. The bomb.
No, the sunscreen.
The sunscreen. Go. Let's go.
Let's go, we got it, it's still there. All right, so we're back on the boat. Little trouble there, Timmy.
Yeah, mine's a little bit taller than yours.
It's not about size, it's about how many twists you have. How much support. Oh God.
It's a little bit big.
Yeah. Just a tiny bit.
Is it 3:30 or 4:30?
What time is it?
It is 4:30.
This is so disgusting.
Oh, here, go ahead.
We suck.
What's that?
Stop it.
This is how you spread COVID.
Stop it.
Would you chew it before you spit it out?
It was in my mouth for a long time.
Ready?
Shall we get brunch, Timothy? Oh, indeed, Austin. What?
Is that a 4 or?
My bad. Oh, baby, we're getting the stroke back. Nicely done.
You going that way?
Yeah, dude, I'm shortcutting this bad boy. You going shortcut strat?
Yeah. I'll hit it from there.
Thanks.
I was hoping to get a little chip action. This could be my undoing.
You know what that's called?
Chipping?
No, when you do it with the putter.
What?
It's called the Texas wedge.
Oh, that's right.
I'm dead serious.
Yeah. It's funny because the first time I tried that on an actual mini golf course, I did it well.
Oh, nice.
Way worse.
But it's over at least. But it's dude. 9. So 5. So you're up by 4 now, or you're down by 4, I guess.
I'm up by 4.
You're 4 points more.
That's my hit.
Oh, the grass bag. I'll take it. Good hit.
Just barely off the rim. It's okay, I got a really good line. Get out of here.
There we go. That's the Texie putts we know. All right, play your ball. Got it.
Cheater, pumpkinator.
Back up.
Oh, against the wind. Play where it lies.
Well, I'll be over there in a minute.
So it's done.
Well done. Very well done.
Ow! Holy hot tamales.
Wait, is that your handprint?
No, that's not my handprint. Not too bad.
I wanted to do that.
It works pretty well.
You bumped me closer to the hole? Maybe not. All right, you're up.
Okay. Yeah, getting into the senior golf fun, so.
All right, I'm sitting 3, you're sitting 1. You can get some strokes back here, Tex. Are you still recording?
Yeah, hey, look at that, went right in.
Oh, nice.
Beautiful.
Perfect shot then. Perfect setup shot.
You helped me, you put it up in the right place.
There you go. Nice shot.
Keep going. Oh! No way. No way. Oh. Robbery.
Highway.
I feel that. You messed me up.
You know.
It's gonna reset.
Yep.
Hey, made it in.
Wow, it totally did. How many strokes is that for you?
Does it matter?
It does, because I want to know how much I beat you by.
don't know.
Bon voyage, everyone. Thanks for cruising with us today. And get ready to set sail again next week with more high sea antics.